You are about to see 10 animals that look unreal but absolutely are. I will tease each one, then reveal it with 2 or 3 quick facts. No filler, just sharp details you can tell a friend later. Pick your favorite and write it in the comments when we are done. Ready to start the countdown of strange and wonderful life. Let's begin with number 10. At first glance it looks like a statue that forgot to blink. Reveal: this is the shoebill, a stork-like bird with a beak shaped like a wooden shoe. It stands motionless for minutes then snaps like a trap on fish or baby crocodiles. That death stare comes from slow blinking and forward-facing eyes that help with depth. Meet the animal with the built-in air filter for dust storms. Reveal: the saiga antelope has a soft, oversized nose that warms and cleans the air it breathes. That flexible snout also helps it cool down during hot Central Asian summers. Sadly, its numbers crashed in recent decades, but herds are now rebounding with protection. This little boxer throws punches that crack aquarium glass. Reveal: the mantis shrimp can accelerate its club faster than a bullet leaving a handgun. Its strike makes cavitation bubbles that collapse with a tiny flash and extra shock. It also sees colors and polarized light far beyond human vision with up to 16 receptors. Here is a lemur that taps on trees like a tiny electrician. Reveal: the eye drum tests wood to find hollow spots and then fishes grubs out with a skinny middle finger. That finger has a ball and socket joint so it swivels like a little tool. It breaks open tough shells with rodent-like teeth that keep growing. Picture a mammal covered in overlapping armor plates. Reveal: the pangolin is the world's only truly scaly mammal and it rolls into a tight ball when threatened. Its tongue can be longer than its body and shoots deep into ant and termite nests. Each keratin scale is tough yet light, making a flexible shield against bites. Can you spot the animal, or are you only seeing bark and leaves? Reveal: the leaf-tailed gecko's body edge looks torn like a dead leaf so shadows vanish. It flattens against a trunk and opens pupils into pinholes to stay invisible by day. At night it becomes a stealthy insect hunter with a paper-thin tail as camouflage. This eel changes both its color and its role in life. Reveal: the ribbon eel starts black with a yellow stripe, turns electric blue as a male, and later yellow as a female. Its wide flared nostrils look like flags waving from a coral burrow. The color shift is part of a natural life stage change called sequential hermaphroditism. This looks like a lizard but quietly breaks the rules. Reveal: the tuatara is the last survivor of an ancient reptile lineage separate from lizards and snakes. It grows slowly, lives for many decades, and can stay active in cool nights that stop most reptiles. On its head is a light-sensitive third eye structure that helps set daily and seasonal rhythms. Tiny, pink, and tough in ways that seem impossible. Reveal: the naked mole rat can thrive with very little oxygen and hardly feels certain types of pain. It lives in ant-like colonies with a single breeding queen and lots of workers. Their skin resists many cancers and their lives can stretch far longer than other rodents. If a sound can be faked, this bird has probably learned it. Reveal: the lyrebird copies other birds plus camera shutters, car alarms, and chainsaws when it hears them. Males sing a mash-up performance while fanning a tail shaped like a lyre. It learns by listening and can stack sounds into long, perfectly timed medleys. That was a quick tour of creatures that feel like science fiction. Tell me which one shocked you most and which list you want next. If you had fun, hit subscribe so you catch the next wildlife story. Thanks for watching and for loving the weird corners of nature. See you soon with another wild list.